Good morning, team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up Making Us. So, part two of the transformation for Christmas. So, guys, I'm done painting. I went with second coat. So, this is what it's looking like. It's not yet 100% dry, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the strip so that I can see how it looks. I'm pretty okay with the way things are right now, honestly speaking. I still have a lot more. I'm done with this side because I couldn't get everything out of the living room. So I'm later going to paint this side because this one is just white. White is very easy to paint. I'm gonna have to paint this side. So yeah, but so far so good. Everything is looking good right now. This is how it's looking like. The window curtains from AliExpress, the second one has arrived yesterday evening. So I haven't hung that one. That one is going to hang here. So I'm happy it is arrived. Yeah, it is arrived. My hand is messed with paint. But yeah, this is how the living room is looking like right now. It's a whole mess. A whole mess. Like the chairs are turned around, everything is just turned around. So now I'm just going to remove the stripes quickly. Yeah, I'm super excited. So now that I have removed all the stripes on the wall, it's kind of like good. I do have some few mistakes, like right there. The line is not super straight, like right there. But hey, this is not professional. It was done by me. I am super grateful. I removed all the line. I removed everything. I made some few mistakes right there on the white wall, but I'm gonna paint that one. And the bottom, I've removed all the stripes on the stop contacts, the current, remove everything. It looks pretty clean, honestly speaking. It looks really nice. I'm super happy. So I'm just gonna leave it to dry out, and then I'm just gonna push everything back. But first, I'm going to try to paint this thing that I mess up so that I can fix the window curtain and close this side. But yeah, so good. So far so good. Everything's looking good. I'm super happy. I love the color. Its color is getting together. I've received the new window curtain. I've received the carpet that I bought, so I can't wait. Now is just to paint the other side. I'm going to wash this paint stuff. I'm going to reuse this ones, all the brushes. I'm just going to wash it very nice, get rid of the gray, and then use it to paint the white. So yeah, so far so good. This is it. This is the mess that we have in the living room. Everything is just a mess right now, but by the time I'm done with everything, guys, it's going to look very beautiful. It's going to look really nice. I'm super happy for the way things are going so far. Yeah, really happy. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm also going to try to fix this thing here on top. The lamp is not fixed good. I'm going to try to see what I can do about that, fix that very nice, and just make the house a little bit comfortable. I'm super happy. So guys, let me know what you guys think about my painting skills. Did I do a good job? Well, I didn't do it all by myself. I had some help in the ending, but I did most of the ones. So yeah, thank you guys, and let's just see you guys on the next vlog. What's up, team? First, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm still with the making over, getting the house ready for Christmas. I have fixed the window curtain. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. It's a little bit dark right now. We're in the winter time, so when you put the lights off, everywhere is super dark. So this is how the window curtain is looking, and let me guys show you guys the other one. I also need to put the lights off, so by that way you guys will have a better view of the window curtain. So this is how it looks. Honestly, I really love it. It's super nice. I really love it. And this is the wall that I was painting. So far so good. The wall here is very plain. It doesn't have anything. It just have this white clock. I'm gonna do like a really nice photo shoot for the kids. I want to hang it right there. And for this other side of the wall, I don't know what to hang for now. For now, we're just going to leave it plainly. And only on this side, I'm also painting. I'm done with painting this one wall, but I have to paint this wall there on the TV. I did everything little by little because of... Put the light on, it's so dark. Because of the kids, I can't just like go one full blow. With this wall, I could do that because it was this side. I just pushed the couch in front and the kids are sitting in front and I do the back side. So it was very easy. But the front wall where the TV is, it's kind of difficult to get everything at once because the kids are moving around. It's very frustrating. I really did not want to stress myself doing all of that. So I decided to do it little. I do this one today. I'm just done doing this one. I've just removed all the tapes. As you guys can see, I still have the painting stuff lying down here. So what I did to make sure the paint thing doesn't dry, I wrapped it with a plastic bag. So whenever you are painting and you are not done painting, you're gonna paint the next day, don't soak your brush, don't put water in it. All you have to do is take a plastic bag, put everything inside and seal the plastic bag very well. Everything will stay moist. You can use it in the next day. You don't need to put water in it. You don't need to soak your brush, go through all that messy product. Just take a plastic bag, put it in, tie it up, and you're ready to go. So yeah, I've just painted this side of the wall, as you guys can see. I haven't removed this one yet, so I've just done paint this side of the wall, paint the other side of the wall. So tomorrow I'm going to paint this side, hopefully tomorrow, but I need to get it done this week. I'm gonna paint this side, and after done painting this side, I bought a carpet for here, a carpet which is lying down there. But first, I wanna done painting and then clean everywhere and then fix the carpet. Yeah, but so far so good. I really love how things are looking. It's a little bit messy right now. Excuse the kids. The kids are right there. It's a little bit messy right now at the moment. And I also just done hanging my Christmas lights. Even though I don't do Christmas, I don't do Christmas tree, I don't do all of that, but I love the Christmas light. The kids are not really fond of Christmas tree. All the kids care about on Christmas Day is having... Vind je kerstboom leuk? Ja, waarom heb je dat niet eerder gezegd dan? Oh, my daughter says she likes Christmas tree, but she don't want to tell me. Okay, misschien volgend jaar. Volgend jaar doe je kerstboom? Yeah. Okay, next year we'll do Christmas tree. So I just have the Christmas lights, and the kids gonna have the present for Christmas Day and new dresses. So that's all. But for now, and I also have to go to the store and look for new dresses. So you guys will be going with me. When it comes to gifts, I've already bought the gift that the kids want because they were having sales on the store. So I bought the gifts and I keep them, and I'm going to wrap it for Christmas Day. And I need to get some new dresses. So let me show you guys what the Christmas light is looking like. Let me get my phone down and put it on. Let me guys show you guys. It's really nice. I really it is not so super dark. so you guys can't really see it very well, but it's the Christmas light is hanging behind the window curtain. So but this is what you get when it's really dark in the house. It's pretty nice, but it's not yet super dark. So but this is what we're having. I really love it. It's so cool. It's so beautiful. I do love it. When I put the light on, you can still see it, but it's not like super dark. When it's really dark, you can see it pretty good. It's really nice. So yeah, so far so good with them painting. Only a little bit more to go. Hopefully tomorrow I'll finish the rest and I could just fix everything, get everything ready. I'm super excited. I'm really excited. I feel so happy. I feel it's just home. It feels good. Yeah, this is just a quick update and stay tuned and I will be back to show you guys the finished results. Okay, so I just want to show you guys me hanging this picture frame thing. It was on the other wall, so I put it in on the white wall just to make sure that wall doesn't look empty. So I'm just done hanging it and I'm also painting. Just want to show you guys what I did with that. It looks really nice. So beauties, this is the finished result of the thing. It's not yet finished, but this is how far we are right now. I spread the carpet. I couldn't actually spray the table gold because the company came to the house and they look at the table. Luckily, one of the guy that works there is someone that I know, and he was like, yeah, you can spray paint it, but you will get the same result after some few months. It will look like that one, like it will wear off. So and I have to pay like 300 euros for to spray paint the table. So I decided to just leave it like that. I'm going to look for a gold plate. I'm going to look for like a gold this table plate to put on top of it with some candles. So this is, yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm not doing anything more, but I really like how everything is looking. Everything is just standing really nice. I got a chair for the table because I want like this full table, this full chair, but I fixed it. I didn't like the way it looks, so I pack it back and I return it. So I returned the table, so I'm just planning to get my normal seating chair and just put it there because I didn't like the way the chair looked on the table. I just didn't like the entire vibe, so I decided to return the chair. But so far so good. Everything is looking. I've changed the pillowcase and I changed everything. So you guys can see I've put my own chair back because I wanted like a different chair, but I put my old chair back because I couldn't get the one I want. This is how everything is looking at the night. This is in the evening when I put the lights on. It looks really nice. Yeah, I didn't put anything on the other white wall underneath because those are those where the kids play a lot. So yeah, I fixed everything. I fixed the lamp on top. Everything looks really nice. The only thing is I need to get a something for this table, but I fixed the light on top. Everything is looking really nice. I really love how everything is looking. This carpet is, it's like I don't know how to explain it. It's not like the normal carpet, so it doesn't get dirty easy and it's easy to clean. And I love the brown carpet, matches the lights and the table. I just love that natural vibes in the living room. But yeah, this is it. If I end up getting the table, the plates for the table, I'll definitely come and show you guys. But so far, this is how everything is looking. I really love how everything turned out. I feel like I'm ready. The house is ready. This basket that is standing there is where I have the blankets for in case somebody wants to lay down in the living room and you're feeling a little bit cold, you need to cover up. Those are where the blankets is, so everything is just tucked in. I like when things are simple. This is the finished result. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Tell me what you guys think. I really love how things are. I'm kind of happy. I'm ready to go into the new year. The space is comfortable. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.